After spending $10,000 to $20,000 on a 48-inch Pro range, you would think it would meet all your needs. However, it's simple to buy the wrong range. In fact, many people do not buy the right range for the way they cook. Let's say you like to broil, for example. You want an all-gas range with an infrared broiler, not dual fuel with an electric one. So the key takeaway to this video is buying the right 48-inch range is determined by how you use it, not your neighbors or friends. You'll learn about all the familiar brands like Wolf, Thermador, Monogram, Miele, and a few less familiar yet interesting brands like BlueStar, SKS, and Fisher Paykel. In the end, I'll show you a completely customizable range with every feature and one major drawback. Before I start, many underpowered, pro-looking stoves are cleverly marketed as professional ranges like Bertazzoni, Ilve, Forte, Hallman, and Verona. They don't have the output, baking, or broiling of a pro, and none of the functionality. Just be careful and look at these at the local store before buying one. We have separate videos that address this and how to buy a pro range. Wolf is the cooking brand owned by Sub-Zero. Wolf is made in the US. They're best known for professional style ranges with their signature red knobs. The grill and griddle are infrared like an outside grill sear zone. Infrared is a hotter, more direct heat source to cook faster and evaporate any drippings or residue for easier cleanup. Wolf offers a French top option as well. French tops look like griddles, but work completely differently. A griddle is designed to be consistent. A French top is designed to vary the heat outwards so you can cook many items at different temperatures all at once. There's a huge difference between all gas and dual fuel Wolf ranges. In fact, only the grill, griddle, and French top are the same. The burners are upgraded to multiple 20 and 18,000 BTU burners on the dual fuel versus just 15,000 BTU for gas. The ovens have the verticross convection system compared to the single convection of the gas model. Blowers move air faster than fans for more even heat and more space in the oven. Verticross has been in Wolf wall ovens for years. Gone to the clock and timer, you now have an LCD screen on the dual fuel. Wolf's dual fuel also features the Wolf Gourmet. You pick the food, how you like it cooked, and Wolf's Gourmet guided cooking system will select the exact time and temperature for your meal. It will even determine the rack position. A Wolf Gourmet also features 50 automatic recipes. Wolf is a family-owned American company and is probably the best on this list for after-sales service. The cons are that all gas models are underpowered with only a 15,000 BTU max. There is no steam, no color choices in either series of Wolf ranges. BlueStar is a family-owned, US-based appliance manufacturer. Of this list, they have the hottest range, literally. Their new dual fuel has 4 burners at 25,000 BTU and 4 at 18. You can also buy their griddle model as well. This new range offers different features than their all-gas models. The dual fuel burners are sealed, not open like other BlueStar gas-only units. They have an 8-point burner encompassing more area than any other competitor brand. For a brand that once claimed chefs don't need clocks, BlueStar now has a 7-inch control panel and 8 different cooking modes. The main oven still fits an 18 by 26-inch commercial sheet pan, and BlueStar is also known for customization. They're available in 1,000 colors and 10 trims. Over 75% of BlueStar ranges are purchased in color at Yale. BlueStar has 5 different all-gas models. Their top 2 and most popular series are the Platinum and R&B series ranges. Then they have a lesser expensive series, the RCS, and an open and seal burner, as well as the industry's only pro range with French doors, the Precious Metal series. BlueStar's Platinum series is their premium gas range line, featuring open burners with a 25,000 BTU output. They are the only manufacturer with pure convection for more even baking in their Platinum series. Their R&B series has a built-in grill and griddle with slightly lower output without the pure convection element. You can buy the R&B series with a French top as well. Having open burners is tougher to clean. In a spill, you have to clean the underneath the top. However, almost everything is removable and can be cleaned in the sink, not at the range like every other unit on this list. There is no grill option on the dual fuel. The grill and grill are also regular gas and infrared, so that cleanup is a bit harder. You do not have Wi-Fi or smart functionality on any BlueStar products. Thermador is a cooking brand owned by the German Bosch company, with 15 different 48-inch ranges from $10,499 to $16,600. Buying one is confusing. here's how you should buy a Thermador Pro range. The Grand series is the premium offering of the two, with a larger capacity oven, a high BTU burner of 22,000 BTU, a simple clock, and self-cleaning and all gas. Program also offers steam ovens and warming drawers as well in their larger 48 and 60 inch sizes. You have an induction option with the Program series starting at 36 inches as well. However, Harmony is more popular because it doesn't protrude from your cabinets. Unlike the large capacity Program, Pro Harmony is also less expensive. Both ranges have star burners, which can simmer better at 100 degrees on 2 burners. Thermador star burners are also raised for easy cleaning as well. Their electric grill, however, is not as responsive as gas. You also do not have the higher temperatures, so the grilling is not as good. The electric grill and griddle are not as fast. Thermador also features a single, not dual convection type oven. There are also no color options for finishes in any Thermador products. Monogram finally has some interesting ranges. They have a smart range that's actually smart. Thermador, Wolf, SKS, and Miele have smart functionality as well. And let's start there. You can connect through their Smart HQ app to every possible recipe site. The front burner is connected to a Heston Q, so you can follow different recipes step by step. You have the articulating 7-inch screen to control the oven as well. The burners are brass for longevity. Only the $50,000 plus La Cornue is the only other manufacturer with brass on this list. The outputs are 23,000, 21,000, and 15,000 BTU burner. Grill and griddle are both infrared with good output at 18 and 14,000 BTU. Monogram is one of the best with a $3,500 credit to use on other Monogram appliances with the purchase of the range. The all-gas has all the power and function of the dual fuel. Both use steam for self-cleaning. You still have to wipe it down, but it doesn't take as much time as the regular 900 degree self-cleaning cycle. It's smart with good output and a good grill and griddle, but the selection's limited with only 3 models. There's no special features like induction sous vide or French top. It's not available in colors. Miele is a family-owned German appliance company. They started producing Pro ranges in 2014, and they copied many good features like an infrared grill and griddle. Then they added a few more like self-cleaning racks and dishwasher-safe grates. Miele offers steam assist in all their dual fuel ranges. Steam is essential for hardening crusts like breads or the tops of lasagna. The speed oven also allows you to cook as a microwave convection combination, saving you half the time. The warming drawer will keep food up to 3 hours without dehydrating it. The real highlight of this range is their MasterChef controls. Miele simplifies the cooking process. You choose the food and weight. The oven calculates time and temperature. You also have many different automatic cooking programs, including 15 just for bread, from focaccia all the way to sourdough. No all-gas models in 48-inch. The unit is a bit underpowered versus most of the competition, with only half the burners at 19,000. The other half is 12,000, and there's no color in Miele either. Newer brands seem to have the same playbook of matching the best features of existing products and then adding a few new ones. SKS is one of the most featured professional ranges you can buy. SKS is the premium division of LG, and their burners are 23,000 with a combination of 15,000 BTU burners. 3 of the burners are 100 BTU, matching Thermador's low output. In all gas, SKS's Pro range has 1 option with a griddle. In dual fuel, SKS offers 2 options, one with a griddle and the other with an induction set and a sous vide for the stovetop. The griddle is chromium, so you just wipe it down. It is the easiest to clean. Induction will be faster than a professional gas range and have a better simmer. It also requires less venting, so more companies have been adding induction to their professional gas ranges. Then again, with more cities banning gas in multifamily like New York and Cambridge, Mass., you'll see more induction ranges in the future. In the smaller oven, you have a combi steam oven like Thermador. Sous vide or cooking through precision water immersion is SKS's unique feature. You can cook with precise results with sous vide. Just add your protein and marinate in a vacuum sealed bag, and wait for it to reach the core temperature for a perfectly cooked meal. SKS is also Wi-Fi enabled through LG's ThinQ app. The cons are the no colors and no grill. Fisher & Paykel has 5 ranges with baffling small distinctions other than all gas or dual fuel. The RHV 3-484-N is their most interesting range and offers a glimpse of what the future may look like for larger ranges. It has a combination of 23,500 BTU and 18,500 BTU gas burners, along with 4 induction burners. The other 2 dual fuel models are 8 burners or 5 burners with a 24,000 BTU griddle. That's really hot for a griddle. Fisher-Paykel's dual fuel ranges have more cooking modes along with 8 burner styles like the Wolf or BlueStar. The grill is only offered in all gas. You have no grill, French top, and limited options, and no color and no Wi-Fi. The best 48-inch professional range is the Cornue La Chateau 120. You probably have a sense of what we said in the beginning. No range has the best of all features except for the Cornue Chateau. Cornue is the exception because you order any feature. In fact, the range is customized by you. You can choose any option for the top: wok, burners, induction, grill, griddle, French top. The 120 range has a gas and electric oven, so you have both the moisture heat of gas for roasting and the drier heat of electric for baking. The ovens are natural convection, meaning the air is emitted from the bottom. Along with the arch top, it keeps an even heat without using fans. You have 56 colors with 8 trim options for a unique look. If you don't like the colors, you can choose one of your own. It is the best range with only one drawback. The price is over $50,000. And Cornue may be customizable, but it doesn't have any technology, not even a clock. Professional ranges need more service than any other appliance. That said, a 40-inch range is also much larger than an average appliance with more burners, ignition systems, and 2 ovens. Before you become panicked, half of these ranges can fix without parts, installation, and customer education, the 2 biggest problems. Igniters are one of the most common repairs for gas ranges in general, but it's usually just a burner. In a 40-inch range, you have at least 3 to 7 more burners than a regular gas range. However, service for sophisticated appliances becomes crucial. You want your range to work. Always inquire about repair before you buy any appliance. First, there's no single best professional range. You should buy the features necessary to how you cook, whether it's baking, boiling, grilling, griddling, steam cooking, or any other feature. Now that you know about pro ranges, you must learn how to vent them properly by watching this video.